Michael Knight, a young loner on a crusade to champion the cause of the innocent, the helpless, the powerless, in a world of criminals who operate above the law.
All right, Kit. Hey, what's up, Bonnie? How you doing?
Doing good.
How's
Kit's
Kit
ready
running
for
there?
ya. Kit's definitely
I
ready
saw
for
he
ya.
just passed the bomb test, so now I'm gonna take him back out. You said he's mad at me.
Yeah. Did you do anything mechanically wrong to him?
All right, Bonnie has just given me Kit back. As you guys may have noticed, Kit is mad at me right now.
You've obviously gone down the toilet since we split up, Michael.
And I've been apparently driving a Mustang at the drag strip more than Kit. So I'm back in Kit now. I'm gonna see. Apparently, did you move the windows there, Bonnie? The window switch, because I can't find it.
Oh no, not again.
Oh, Michael, the windows. This is for your side.
Oh, okay,
and that's for the other side.
you switched that up on me. Okay,
I
thank you
did.
so much. I appreciate it. I'm gonna tell you right now. Kit's a little mad at me because I've been hanging out in the Mustang, but we're here to make amends. He's not talking to me right now. We're gonna go out. We're gonna have a drive. Holy cow, Kit. You got a lot faster. Oh, wait a minute. What just came through? Hold on, I got a call from the foundation. Hello, Devin? Yeah, I'm out here with Michael right now. I mean, well, I am Michael. All right, Devin, we'll see you back at foundation. I got crimes to solve. Over and out. Oh, Kit, I love what they've done with you.
I don't know. They appear to be sensor echoes of my own telemetry.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
All right, just guys, obviously, I am not Michael Knight, but I tell you what, this has been a childhood dream of mine to drive the car that I grew up watching, which motivated me to love cars and to customize them and modify them. And I tell you what, this is a dream come true. This car is actually for sale, link in the description. But to drive Kit is an experience. I tell you what, this is a complete job from top to bottom. Down to the steering wheel, the lights, the whole nine. And there's so many cool buttons here. I'd probably need like a 4 or 5 minute video series to show you guys all the goodness. But I tell you what, I feel like Michael Knight right now. I do. I was told some of these buttons do work. So we're gonna take my Kit out, see if we can hit the turbo boost and go. This is something. I'm looking for turn signals. I don't have them. Everyone's looking at me right now. This is something else. Now everyone talked about what is it like to drive with this crazy steering wheel that, you know, is different. I mean, it's really different. I feel like I'm driving a space shuttle right now. You can feel all the vibrations to the steering wheel. Definitely missing a complete steering wheel, but you know you're driving Kit right now, so it's really a lot of fun. So we are driving the Kit car. You guys can see this. We are officially, again, Kit's not talking to me. He's mad at me right now, but you can see all these features. I feel like I'm gonna solve any crime here. We have everything here. All the buttons are here, so we're ready to go. Rear defeat video. The main button that we're looking for, though, is only one, and that is our turbo boost. So we'll find all this. This is crazy. Just look at this, guys. Just take a look at all this. Oh man, I gotta put, Devin's gonna call me back anytime. I gotta put this phone back, but let's see what it's like. And it's starting to rain. Dude, if I had it, I would love to have this. I'm not even kidding, because For me growing up, this was something that I always like coveted. And that's kind of why I have a black car myself, a black sports car in my 2018 Mustang GT. And this is, you know, this is a large part. Look at this quality though. Wow. This is really cool. This feels like Darth Vader here. I know it's the Knight Industries 2000, but man, this is so cool. This is so cool. All right. I keep looking for like the turn stock. The turn signal's right here. It's right here on the little, right there. That's your turn signal there. So we'll turn in there. I got a lot of thumbs up so far. So. That's one of the reasons I think I really like, you know, my Mustang, is because it reminds me of the KiTT car. You know, the 2018 Mustang that I do have has a lot of this nostalgia kind of built in with the digital dash and all these little tech features. And I think that's because the kids like me that grew up watching the KnightRIder shows appreciate, you know, all cars, the big screens, all the tech that's in cars right now, especially the sports cars. We're basically driving our you know, KiTT car, and we all feel like KnightRIder in, and we feel like Michael Knight in our specific sports cars. And I tell you what, this is just crazy. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh, Knight Industries 2000. Here we go. It is interesting to turn the wheel on this guy. I tell you what. All right, so we're gonna turn around here, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, we did. We worked it out. You know, we went turbo boost, and we went through and we did all the hot pursuit mode. You got it dialed in. Good job. Good job, Bonnie. Killed it. No, this is a lot of fun. I tell you what.
Now, Michael, don't go making him mad again.
No, I'm not. You know, I wanted to go fast in the rain and it wouldn't let me. But, you know, this is something else, man. It was, oh, you can see the turn signal. I got to figure out how to turn all these different lights on, because aesthetically it looks so good looking. Back up. One more time. Dude, I'm a fan. T-Tops, listen, this is an experience. I would love to have a build like this. Of course, we're just teasing, having a good time. But this was something else, guys. This is the original murdered out. This is the original black on black. You know, this set the trend, guys. You know, the way it comes down, the hood scoop. I'm just a huge fan of it. And that light in the middle. If you guys don't know, that's illegal. You got to have amber only, but to be legal. But it's so cool. I got a lot of thumbs up driving it. KiTT is back, and KiTT is for sale. All kidding aside, KiTT is for sale.
KiTT is for sale, and you can locate us here at Gateway Classic Cars in West Effort.
Okay.
And we have Cars and Coffee coming up too.
You technically are, Bonnie, though, because you do work on some of these cars, correct?
I do.
Okay, so you do clean them too. So I will say this car is immaculate. Like when I walked in, like my heart kind of skipped a beat, because as a kid watching this, I just want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to drive it.
Oh, not a problem, anytime.
So it was a lot of fun. But yo, they got all kind of cool cars here at Gateway Classic Cars. Link in the description. And it's different. It's different, you know, than your average stuff. So thanks again. Yeah. Go see Bonnie.
Come see me if you're looking to sell your car and you need a little bit of help.
That's right.
You don't want to deal with tire kickers anymore. Come see me.
All right.
I can take care of you.
Appreciate you. As you guys know, we always say in the channel, it never ends. Peace. KiTT, I need you, buddy. I'm under attack.